In this session, we are going to see practically about how we can create a table with the foreign key reference. Now, we have understood means how we can create a table with primary key constraint, but we need to understand means how we can create a foreign key as well for this particular table or any table which we have seen. So now we have already created author table and we do have this primary key, which is the author ID. Now we wanted to create another table, let's say that is author list table, which we wanted to create. And in that author list table, we wanted to have a one foreign key, which is going to refer to this author ID. How to do that? For that, let's try to create a new query. And here we are going to write this statement, which is a create a table statement, which we already seen how we can create a table author list. And then we are going to specify this is one primary key for this particular author list table. This is another column which is just of varchar 10, and this author id, which is this is a line which is going to be a foreign key. Now this author id, which already available in this author table, and then we need to specify foreign key references here, which is going to be the other table, which is going to be this author table. And out of that, this author id is a primary key. So that we need to specify. That means what are the foreign key which you wanted to create, that needs to be reference to the primary key of other table. So in our case, this author list table is having this author id as a foreign key, but this is going to be referring to the primary key of this author table. One thing to remember is whenever we are creating foreign key, we need to make sure the data type and its size, everything is same as that of a parent key. So suppose I am going to make it as a 6 as a size, then it will throw an error. You can see this is getting red color, and which shows this author.author id is not of the same type as referencing column. So that is something which is we need to make sure, otherwise it will throw an error. So we need to make sure whatever the size, this author id, you can see this is a key, its character of two size, we need to make the same size. So this is the way we can create a table. And now we can just try to execute this, and let's try to see. Now you can see this has been created, and now you can see we can have this author list table which is there, but we have not inserted any data. But I will add some data in it so that it will be useful for our next sessions. I hope you like this, and I will see you in next session.